Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create multi-language store in Shopify step by step. So in order to start language translation, you have to be logged into your Shopify dashboard. Then go to settings. Under settings, you have to locate languages. Click on language. You will see an option to add the language in here. Click on add the language. For example, I'm going to add French. Select French, add. Once you do it, you have to click on the option to translate. So click on the translate and adapt. Please install this application before translating languages in Shopify. So click on auto translate. So it's going to automatically translate your store into French. So the amount of time it takes is depends upon how much data you have in your store. If you have a huge catalog and multiple pages, and then it's gonna take more time than usual. But if you have like small catalog and 4 or 5 pages, then it's gonna take less than usual. So it completely depends upon the how much data you have. So as you can see, it's translated in French. So then the next step would be, again, go to settings. In language, you have to publish this one. So we are going to publish this language. When it's done, if I preview my store in French, then it's going to be automatically translated. As you can see, all the text, everything is translated in French language. You can check the catalog, you can check the pages. This is an example. And then you can check the about us page or any other page if there is any. Let's say this one. So that's how you can add the language, and with the same way you can add more language. Click on add language, select the language you want to add in your store, and then just repeat the same process as I did for the French. That's how you make a store multi-language in Shopify. Thank you for watching.